Hi everyone, working in my whimsy journal, my whimsical houses journal again today. This is one that brings back good memories of my, I don't think it was my childhood, I think it was my kids going through this era. I'm not sure. Anyway, I think everyone knows the Smurfs. So, um, the background is fine, just putting down some colours and using shades of black and blue in the background because the Smurfs house is blue and white. But I think the way I did it, or even the colours, affected the flow of the paint when I was painting the house and Smurf. It just did not go on smoothly. Don't know what it was, but so it doesn't look really neat, but it is what it is. So that's the background done. And now I go through with a bit of white just on the fingertip. Now, again, I'm cheating and I'm just transferring the image to the page using some white transfer paper and a stylus. And I shouldn't have done the detail because it's not necessary at this stage because I have to base the whole image with a coat or two of gesso anyway. So that's it there. And now just apply, I think either 2 or 3 coats of the gesso because it just wasn't playing nice. So until I get to the detail, I guess I'll just put some background music on. I show on the screen what colours I'm using anyway, so I'll be back. Um, I'm just using some POSCA pens, some Sharpie pens, any pen that will work over the top of the acrylic there, and just it was easier to use the markers and pens to add the detail, the black detail. So just trying to add the windows and windowsill frame and the door itself. So, and now the barrel to the side of the house. Makes it so much easier with these markers and the brickwork there as well. So, back to some music. Yep, so there's Smurfy and another Posca pen to add the detail. Those hands were a bit of a nightmare. Oh well. I don't know which Smurf he is. They're all cute. Yep, so not much else to do now except the title. And I use the Sharpie extra fine point pen, I think, to add the title. Yep. Just using a bit of paper to give me a straight line. And because it's my whimsical houses and it's usually home sweet home, I've decided to add home Smurf home to the title. And that's about it for this one. Next one is in my large dilutions journal. So no whimsy houses for a while now. So just outlining that with a thicker POSCA pen. Give it some definition, and that's it. Alright guys, thanks so much for watching, and I'll be back next week with another page. Bye.